Hello and welcome. We are studying tense. In this, we are going to discuss two important tense. Two important tenses today. First is simple past tense, and second is past perfect tense. These two tenses are very important, and in your book, page number 10, worksheet 6, simple past or past continuous, and then in the worksheet 8, simple past or present perfect. Let us see. In the last video, we had discussed simple past and past continuous. We had discussed this yesterday, this and this. If some work was going on in the past, it was past continuous. Some work happened in the past, simple past. Past perfect tense, it is past of the past. Present perfect tense. So here these four tenses, we have to do some comparative study. So today in the worksheet 8, simple past or present perfect. Look, this is also work completed. Present perfect also work completed. So then what is the difference? Work completed in past. If work completed in the past, simple past, and work completed just now, then it is present perfect. Generally people are confused about the usage of these two senses. This is past and this is present. Simple past and present perfect, but they are very similar. Work completed. But work completed, but it has some significance even now. Then we use present perfect. And work completed, now no connection with present, then it is simple past. Remember what is given. I called the plumber. Look at the examples. I called the plumber to fix the leaking water pipe. I have called the plumber to fix the leaking pipe. Then what is the difference between these two sentences? What is the difference is in the meaning. I called the plumber. I have called the plumber to fix the pipe. I have called means I have called, he may come any moment now. He is yet to come. And I called means I called him and the work is finished. So sentence 1, I called the plumber. Sentence 1 talks about an action in the past that has no connection with the present. And sentence 2 talks about a past action that has connection with the present. So here one more point you should understand. No connection with present. In simple past, no connection, and it has connection. With present. In both condition, what is the difference? Difference is of the verb form, and difference is that of meaning. Action, have called the plumber, connection with the present. Now remember, if a past action, it is written in your book, remember, if a past action has a link with the present, we use present perfect. If a past action has no link with the present, we use simple past. Also remember that we do not use any past time reference such as yesterday, last week in the present perfect tense. I visited Patna yesterday. This is shows simple past. I have seen the Taj. No past time reference word is given. Then we use I have seen the Taj. And I saw Taj Mahal in 2016. So this is the main difference, and here we discuss today simple past and present perfect. We will practice it again and then we will see the exercises. In the next video we will discuss these two, comparison and contrast between simple past tense, difference between past perfect tense. Thank you. That's all for today.